And my first way to get my depth is going to be a lean with my body and a little push with this opposite pec. So I'm going to lean, push in, back out about 10%, and then my tension is going to be a lean with my body. I'm going to pause for a second, and then she's going to go ahead and start that motion. Go ahead. And it's called internal slide. It's just coming to me. Infraspinatus is a very important muscle in shoulder function, shoulder stability. It's really important anytime you're pressing or reaching or going to grab things, and a lot of times it becomes very dysfunctional. Now, a lot of therapists make a bad job with this because it's actually very superficial. It's not deep. All that's really between that is some skin, a little bit of subcutaneous fat, and then the muscle, and it sits right there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go a little bit lateral to that. And I'm going to be here, and I'm not going to use my hand on this first one just so you guys can see it. And what I'm going to get first is I'm going to get some depth with my body. And I'm going to back out about 10%, and then I'm going to get some tension about 1/4 inch into that scar tissue. And that's how I'm going to load that up. Go ahead. And it's called internal slide. It's just coming to me, and we're moving it. Keep going, keep going, keep going.